How to use proxies with FoxyProxy in 2025. FoxyProxy is a powerful browser extension that simplifies managing proxies for your web traffic. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for FoxyProxy. Click Add to Chrome. Once you have successfully added FoxyProxy to your Chrome, go to Options. Open the FoxyProxy settings. Go to the Proxies tab. Click Add or Add New Proxy and enter the proxy details. For example, proxy type, IP address, port, username, and password. Once you're done filling out all of the information, just tap Save. Always make sure that the proxy address, port, and authentication details are correct. Check if the proxy server is online and working.